A very good morning to all. So today we are going to do another subtopic of coordinates geometry, that is the section formula. And before we are going to do the section formula, let's do one example from yesterday's topic, which is the distance formula. So distance formula, actually we will complete it yesterday. So this is one example about the distance formula. Say, find the point on the x-axis. The point is on the x-axis. Remember this. Which is equidistant. So today we are going to focus this term. Equidistant. Equidistant. So dig to machine because of the length So equidistant means, equal means normally we say equal, isn't it? So the equidistant here, it means from the points -2, 5 and 2 and 3. So means, for example, say that we have the 2 points. Point in your point in the -2 and 5 and then we have 2 and -3. There are 2 points. But the find the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, axis location goes to point the correct x-axis if the point is on x-axis, which means y is equal to 0. That is point x-axis point. Suppose that this is the point P on x-axis, and if it is x-axis, the coordinates of the x is the value x itself, but the y coordinates is 0 because this point is on x-axis. The equidistant equidistant from the another 2 points equidistant. The correct advantage also distance formula distance formula so now the example and then we'll move to the section formula part. Dig example coordinates x x x so we are going to find the value of x the value so find the point on the x-axis. X-axis x so the point is so the value of x. So that is so let's see here the given point. Solution the points mean let's say let the point on x-axis. Point on the x-axis be P and x and 0. Now which is equidistant from the other two? So equidistant from the other two. The point let's say it's the one of the other point is A. A point -2 and 5, and the other point is B, which is 2 and -3. And both of these are equidistant from point P. So which means now we are going to use the formula. The formula to derive distance formula in the formula. That is the drawing by na A B P down A P point P. The point P ne A point B so P A is equal to PB. So let's see the PA. So section formula PA is equal to PB because it says the equidistant. And then what is the value of PA? The PA is the value of distance formula. So distance formula is bracket PA and P value is x and 0 and A means that is -2 and 5, B which is equal to 2 and -3. Suppose say that this is the x and y and this is a 1 and 2. So yesterday we'll recognize that 1 is the x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Doesn't matter, either this is your x1, y1 or x2, y2, either you will say that this is x and y, this is x1 and y1. Okay, formula x2 minus x1 that is the 2 in bachasha, the 1 in bachasha and drawing man x2 and -2 so x2 negative minus x so plus this is and next here is a y y2 is 5 so 5t minus 0 and whole square and which is equal to that is PB is equal to so PB relation 0 root so this party so x2 this is a 2 minus x1 0 whole square plus bracket -3 0 and minus 0 whole square. Then the equality parallel the equal sign here so the degree root need the now here we apply the identity. Then identity so negative the negative negative the square so negative need to common term so negative square here it becomes a positive. So the identity 2 2s are 4 plus a square plus b square x square plus 2a into b 2 2s are 4x. The thing is identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So similarly here plus t and 0 is 0. So 5 5s are 25 come to t and here exactly same. But here that we have a 1 negative chick mesh so the negative chick they over that. So then the negative so the negative comment it becomes a positive. So here 4 2 2s are 4 a square plus b square so x square. So the negative so that negative 2a into b so 4x and then part plus 3 3s are 9. Type sign same the 4 and 4 x square and x square. What is left here? 4 but it's a negative sign and here's a positive sign. So negative the positive so it's a 8x which is equal to the part 25 and plus 9. So x the same negative sign is greater so put negative here. 25 minus 9 is a 16 divided by the 8 so 8 1s are 8 8 2s are 16 which is equal to -2. So therefore the coordinates of the point x point -2 and 0. So the coordinates the 2 x axis ki khawa de dolana and -2 kana there. So ko x axis kana de we give the y ki coordinates yora di 0 is. So I'll just take this as one example. Example chick so the example that Mample songs that the dick on any ground Pachitarochi. That ring into the drain is a section formula. So what do you mean by section formula? That ring of section formula and a carrier. Kesang want to distant formula and formula they apply chamber or the transition. The section and general what in a formula section love in a section of Goshik Yarlosh. The Karagoshik Yarlana line juna. Dig line the Goshik Yar, Karayana, internet, Kimadola to point to the law, patient and a division in Bana. A line division by A B juna A and B. Right? That is gaussian jawle. Gaussian the one gaussian also. So dealing a point P through in by na. So the line gaussian in the so. Chi ni. So part in the things that part sum la eta chu ra ko khandar part sum kya na sheet kya na khasum ko kya na part gaussian kya da chik shen ba na shama sama ma ju ge shen to this. So this is section formula. Line rinpoche ganglo la ro ki la te te la tu ya yoni yoda internally and externally leisure. External na te ba na china external che wa. Ta thanda ngo jang go jure ting ngo internally da. Line jo in pa na line di ki ma la yang ngo point le na di ki coordinates se khare dos. Ta ngo dum she wa me here in Gopalpur. Ro nga ka de Gopalpur yo ro. तावासु सामुतान तेवसरा दिने फाचिङ बाना गजु सुजे भगिमियोरेस दिने या चिङ बाना अनि गजु कसु धर्मशाला योरेस सो धर्मशाला ताङ गोपालपुर ता धर्मशाला ताङ सुजे निगि डिटेलदा वा कसुदि कोऑर्डिनेट्स देरदा चेना nga position खानसिले देदुलाना अनि गजु दागान पुस्ताङ गोरेस सो दिङ गजु सुजे बछाशा दिङ गजु धर्मशाला इमरदा सो चेना nga गोपालपुर की कोऑर्डिनेट्स दि खारे रे दाना Oh, this is like an khare khajta law in bana and section formula la khajta go is the section formula ha ko sara line rinpoche ki kimala ra ani ngantu point in te win bana ta ta ni shin jing ji point le ma ro kesi dharamsala ki coordinates ta gopalpur ki coordinates de ha ko gi na suja khawa ye me de ha ko de la ya dini ha ko gi ye bana dharamsala ki coordinates de khare khawa me ha ko de la ta re de dig point coordinates de ha kwela those that chidang a de de dang ma point chi ye yore ine dig point khawl shi shawl na inji minji ga khawl shi shawl na ani kesang as ke shawl na shi cartesian plane neo in ba na ani was dig point to end to ma yes so ding an so khawa ye me de ani thabo ma so khare chi shawl na ani x axis ta y axis ka sang so coordinates de judu chi go so de la rectangular coordinates na degree cartesian plane na degree wa a dinde chi shi shaw to ne an shining an ko khawa ye me de to end to yes so dine ko so za dine ga to khache na only that we are going to derive the formula section formula na dine du ta le shi wa ti chi bo an so drive chain ro direction change ko na ro tri okay first I'm going to write here the a Cartesian plane T and there is she shall also the formula maintained casing also the dinde coordinate geo in by na so dinde so this is our x axis and this is your y axis here time also the point you are thinking of case na shi point is yours any point chick was le sha thing of the dinda the point that I'm going sujaida s right this is example sha 다른 시간도 아니 네 강원대 나가도 dinda 강원대 가시게 다른 사람인다 와 이마 line 줘다 아니 그 스토리 so dig point 가다나 다른 사람다 d 시인다 와 so d coordinates 제 쟤나 아니 dig 이마 나가서 point 가려 나오고 임바나 수 사샤 가르키기도 나오고 임바나 아니 가서 고발볼 계기도 so I'll represent as a G to T shora to see oh so G in that right then here wa suja dang dharamsala ki coordinates dengan sugi nisha sama ha bu mero in nang to dela represent khashila na di ga dengan sugi x1 y1 represent che di ga ha bu mero so za x2 y2 represent che and x down y in x and y just remember this only s suja x1 y1 kawabudu dharamsala badu x2 y2 then my position here is just x and y ta 대단한 컨셉이나 대 여기가 많이 사실 가와도 디자인 달와 so this is the position dindishik tone and also correct to section formula to it. So let's see and to derive this formula what we are going to do here is let's do some constructions here. Then going to do construction this so this construction that thing going to be infinite y 가수 조절 positive and negative la x 가수 조절와 타디나는 답을 가져려나 let's see here this and the two given points are s and d so let's say s the point is x2 and y2 s is 1 y isn't 1 and y1 and d x2 and y2 check. Thing to get the point needed it. The thing now to say let g take a g get let x and y okay let x and y think it has to say let x and y be the points, the coordinates, be the coordinates of the point P, the point 0, x and y the any coordinate correctly, g the coordinates the in Pachashas in a g the Karchik which divide SD in the ratio that the ratio condition to divide ratio na hakurwa di khazu yoba de di khazu yeme la phazu comparison chawwa da ratio na so di ngan tu mean tan khajana na di ratio de m ta di n in da ratio din de china ngan tu gi ani divide chi do ratio m is to n di khawala chi do internal da thing of the theory chever internally SD in the ratio m is to n internally. The now to be this and cautious those. The construction cache construction da. Okay, the thing has so this lesson. Okay, now we need a little construction from here. Construction is here. Construction is here. Construction is here. This point is in the perpendicularly. Perpendicular. This is descent formula chamber. This is so this is perpendicular chede. This is perpendicularity. Then is this perpendicularity. There's another perpendicular. Oh, this goes what? Those are perpendicular. Perpendicular. So then the perpendicular the chain and teaching and say here, just give the name here. A, B, C to the right mean so say draw S A G B and DC the draws correction perpendicularly the x-axis la perpendicular to the x-axis. So x-axis lang the perpendicular things. Yeah, the what tidang chora ko kyam the perpendicular 90 do. Dana sing also dana sing ro the pa perpendicular chida. Then on those parts genetic do. Yeah, then dana sing parts those parts chida. Those parts ni chida ro. The pa ganza sine kyun da me do da de ganza. Those parts na shana jig. Tadi be anya pa perpendicular the long the mean station ro. De la on to khateng na K L to stay ro. And the long to M to shinda M to M came do. Oh, this is mean there. And this is origin O. Dana sing to khatula na this M S L and para M li do S L and G K perpendicular to DC. DC la di perpendicular yores and the 90 is 13 to 90 na ora anzo. Tinzo 90 metare and tinzo 90 metar. So this one anzo 90 meter. That is 90 meter case anzo descent formula pheshata banashinge. Now we are going to write down their measurement. That was measure measurement thing anzo so to ya. 당보다는 데네티브도 가서 가져래 계산 나오는 시 데네티브도 가서 가져는 x mov식도 so x 가져는 x1로 so 데네티브도 가서 가져는 x1 이네 데네티브도 가져도 나오고 임바나 and the x 들어가더니 데네티브도 x mov셔도 이게 좋아 전에 가서 디 가져 보려 나오고 임바나 때데 x 간산네 x1 또 텐다로 x1 어디 so 계산 좀 보시면 봐 x minus x1 텐다 무슨 소리 x this is whole is x, and if you are going to subtract this x1, we get AB, and AB is nothing but this SM. The value is what? That is not. I want to go ahead and go na what? And this I want to go ahead and na triangle ni go there. The triangle is what? The ta. The triangle is what? Oh, the triangle ni the na pa shisha ko. That because you juice it. The triangle need to show way by now the the side measurement is in what you should do digital. And similarly here, JK lessons are JK the most extra. Do it extra, JK and D is 0. Yeah, that is the need to love him by now. To sleep right there. People to x x2. Channel D descend has to travel the Kansa ne Divotor x1 camera D descended. So the Kansa has to x2 raw. So x2 ne D2 can because x raw. So D descend has Hashare the Jichav. That is how we forget here to what Tom Dina to agenda. Exactly same to the y axis leatada. D descend has to love in Bana. The Kansa ne Dimatera. The Kansa has to do. Y1 y and divoto gazure y1 ro so dot you am bana y ne minus y1 sultenda y ne y1 tenda the rasa chibige ganata ro the gansa hasul dulo am bana y2 ro so the y2 she y2 ne khathon the theon do the raila y2 ne the made the hasul dulo na y hasul y ro to spatanda. And then ratio was M rate, then was N. The habor. Thank you, teaching the correct share to low in by say SM. SM is equal to the decision draw in a SM and Dilwa. The Ganzo Karsha to low in by na, the Ganza to Kasur low in by na, extra Ganza X. The name of the Kartan to low in by na, and X1 the temporary. So that means X minus x1 G loss. The other thing on to get to the Shabadina Yuma in Bana, GK GK, which is equal to x2 minus x6. Y axis slashing by Bana Dicardona, JM0, which is equal to y minus y1, and last that we have dk. dk kadulana y2 minus y1. That is question bit. The Google engine is so the next page go through you to cover. So that dinner go took secret. The thing tense was the need the matin. Then you the tola ansitola to because the shamo tango. Ringpochi go in Banana de another. The Nicky George go in Bana. Mala ping jura digi rings at Gorda. Chanage Ganzane, the bartender ping the rest of it. So did the Chipian dinner. Ganza are did it. The Gazabutulana extra. In a Mati Gora, so didn't a cartel and a detail, the value of it. Extra. So x minus x1. Those temas dealing out. The Chipian already. Just the dealer understand the Shabaka Kakoyama. That catches you never the color triangle need the color when you got similar is. Since these two triangles, that J triangle on the similar triangle concept Karakaku made it some that Jela Hakuri. The imbalance to think how to quadrunda. Our triangle need a picture. SMG SMJ is similar to triangle GKD. Similar is the triangle is similar in by a Karchigre. The next should be the similar triangle of the lead. Triangle is similar in by the congruent Tumbatan Gwen on congruent triangle challenge. The congruent of imbalance of Hello side from a draw shape so much chicken shape chicken and shape chicken in some to go marry size chicken and the congruent later. The similar in a similar catch shooting on a career low in by a similar and Chishun Kawa cake of your marry. Even a Quran in a career, Quran the corresponding ratio to your corresponding size your thing on the ratio so much was charged over it. That is a Krishna. Similar triangle. The corresponding, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That ratio of a triangle digachi side D down, digachi D down, D down, the corresponding that's one. Similar those ballet when similar triangle change to the triangle too much in a similar. Even a casual carabo to low in Banakugi corresponding size or dig because the ratio line drawing but cheaper shade. Then I could tell by the hypotenuse 90 dina, then 90 rod. So hypotenuse thing by a tig hypotenuse thing is the M rod, you know. So dig M rings it down, Gangi M rings the ratio then you tear down. Yang sai shema le dirwa dig ring se chik dirwa ta nge gi thang ko din chi chan la ro di is ko su ma m da n thap tu ma la che dang du si sho ro sg divided by gd is equal to sm ta ki de chi ko chen de le g ke che new de la so mg instead of kd all the that karela yo na similar triangle the keche borde similar triangle la corresponding sides ratio corresponding side the katuna sama chikbo chai des ta ga so keche ma ga so di value sama te yin so tuen sai ba this part chu drawing ba na sg la na te ga so re m ro so de nge m pa chu divided by d gachite the n row and equal to sm and d row, so x minus x1 divided by gk and d row, x2 minus xj, which is also equal to d row y minus y1, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. That's 하나 먼저 디나는 것을 다 가서비 formula rasa research 다 맞추잖아 디 comparison 이라시 디 디냠도 찍지 디 하서 디 간주 칼라라나 equal 나가줘서 디 간사로와 디냠도 컴페어지 디 냠도양 컴페어지 컴페니 파라치다노 so 디 당봉이 디냠도 조긴다로 와야는 디냠도 찍을 들어와 디 디냠도 조안에 크로스 만나다 다음 디파 생다 다음 디니 파라치고 drawing by now. So the cross one m k x2 minus x là tăng thì ya tăng đó equal to rồi thì equal tăng rồi n ki x minus x1 là tăng à thì chỉ có những cái nào sẽ rồi so thì tăng cross pa khachin chung mà mx2 minus mx rồi thì pa tăng nx rồi minus nx1 so thì nào nó ngang rồi ta x की coordinate से वो सोचते हैं x से log पाते हैं कि बेसिक चीज दरवा so x दे वो सोचते हैं ना चीज दरवा m x वाली m x रवा dx तक पाता minus n x equal to देना खरे लेना negative दवा minus n x1 रवा फगे ये सूत्र ना minus m x2 रवा तो सामान negative ये सो को negative सामान cancel तंग दिख दवा ये को सोचता दी ना वो खरे comment दोला ना x comment दवा so ये x से सूत्र नहीं दा ये x से सूत्र तो ये ना खर्चा सुना ना m plus n chart negative sum में सोचा था दे negative जो comment दे negative दा फगे negative comment negative ये cancel तंग दवा which is equal to दी ना दा mix से comment में सोचा खर्चा ना खरे दी just rearranging दवा m x2 plus n x1 divided by that when the divided by the sasha to share sa that the m the mata x which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n did that thing on to be x the coordinates to start x की formula this x the has out there x the points to the has that जिको क्या चीज दे दे नहीं पारता है and the name of the y equal coordinates rate पेशा शंता पे ना न्यूटर दी का कौन सा याद नहीं दौड़वा ते तां सिंह पे ना खरे ना m y 2 चिकता minus m y रो equal to दी कौन सा याद तां नहीं पे ना n y minus n y 1 रो तां ये दी लाओ ना शिफास में वंसु के ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो इन पे ना y की वैल्यू से वो सोचा y दी रो so y divided by na minus m y di chu ta da minus n y equal to minus n y1 di pata na m y2 negative cancel chi kuchen cherwa so di ta drawing by na di na khala sna na y comment wa so nge y chu ten and di na khala di pa ka ta shan ji wa y is equal to pha ka khala sna na di myo chi di m y2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n being on to give y coordinates the charge so don't do any na on to coordinates correct chilena coordinates of p is right again g is right g की coordinate x ना y दे खरे दो लाओ इन बाय ना दिन आलो ला g जरो g खर्चे दो ना थांबो दे तो खर्चे दो x की वैल्यू m x2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n चिकता रो ब्रैकेट ने बसे दूस ना तो x का शेयर y का ना तो खर्चे दो लाओ इन बाय ना my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n so दिनी है ना तो कोई की फॉर्मूला दे दिए और तो दी फॉर्मूला देना है ना तो खा लेना ना सेक्शन फॉर्मूला है ना ता चिक पचे कोस है इन गोमासो ने क्रॉस ता वीडियो तक में सोचा या गोमासो ने या रांचा युग या मा रांचा ता सिदारा दिनी तेते गोसु देखा को खेगे यो मारे ये कैसा लाओ ना सिंग ता दी coordinates geometry नालो ने क्या पे तो रहे ता दी के ठुक यो रे ठुक सोले ड्राइवर दा देला जैसा दे गिव अप ची मा ची so don't do anything खाना दी x की वैल्यू रे दी y की वैल्यू रे लो तो x ता y की वैल्यू हा को इन पाने दी तो दा ठुआ कने रुटी रे तो ते नेगा ची दी रो ता ठुआ कने रुटी लो इन पाने दी ता दी हा को ना की मा से तू रे दी ता दी हा को ना दी yang से तू रे खान पॉइंट सुन नालो रो चिक ते ने ना नी ते ना नी दी पे ता ने आ सुन बा दे से तू रे लो ठीक है ता दो मांसो हाली लेना रो रेशियो से ले दे रेशियो ना m is to n रो point ते 아주 제가 나오고 있는 the m당 m기 ratio 가르레스. So 딘데기 지와야 마보리. 그래서 드링 테스트 그래서 뒤쪽 테스트 동해로 재수 안 되면 송자다 드링 트란 시험에 제시라 디 가르치는 포뮬라 대고 시험에 지로지. 디 포뮬라의 가르치 포뮬라를 나오고 있는 아니 section formula기 가서 디레 section 가서 디 섹션을 나타 고색이야와 고색이는 두기 요거 임바나 딘데 조당치나라 안 포뮬라 가르고도 나오고 임바나 this is the formula 드링에 대 formula the derivation 대 지구로지 안 디기 제 다가라로 와다 얘기 비디오기 제 다가라라 아니 얘기 디와 갈랑선 파축셴이 안디 디와도 그런소기 descent formula 계산 표시 당교다 드링 section formula도 표시 당네 안 그런 가들시 디난 시투도와 안 집다로지 사니 얘기 디 example needs pasha ra ani ngang di application la pa train da last one test le